Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 25th, 2020. Well, it was another day where sellers absolutely dominated the session today. The Dow finishing lower by 879 points. That's almost 2,000 points in 2 days. The S&P 500 down 97 points, while the NASDAQ was lower by 255 points. The Russell finishing lower here by over 50 points once again. Bonds hitting a new high, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.339%. Crude oil also dropping sharply today, down $1.53 or about 3%, while gold also finishing lower. This was a bit of a surprise, maybe a bit of profit taking here, down about 26 points at the official close, or 1.6%. The dollar also pulling back sharply here. Now, after market close, couple of CEOs departing here. Disney, Bob Iger, announcing he's leaving as CEO of Disney. New CEO coming in, Bob Chapek, and market not really liking that news. After market hours here, Disney down about 2.5% after hours on that news. And also Salesforce, CRM, they delivered earnings, reported earnings after close and missed estimates. They also, though, announced a change at the CEO level. Co-CEO, Chief Block, is leaving. So Mark Benioff will be the sole CEO at Salesforce now after market hours. Salesforce also down over 2.5%, in addition to the 2.5% they dropped during the regular session. So sellers absolutely in control here, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. The Dow is at a level of support, but that is one massive red bar. We'll see what tomorrow brings. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.